Experiencing Wi-Fi problems can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to study or complete assignments. A slow or disconnected internet connection can halt your progress. This guide will walk you through simple, effective steps to diagnose and resolve common Wi-Fi issues. First, the classic IT solution: restart everything. Power off your Wi-Fi router and modem. Wait about 30 seconds, then power them back on. Do the same for your computer, phone, or any affected device. This often clears temporary glitches and refreshes network connections. Next, ensure all cables are securely connected to your router and modem. Loose connections are a surprisingly common cause of internet disruptions. Also, double-check that your device's Wi-Fi is actually turned on and not in airplane mode. Sometimes, a simple toggle can resolve the issue. Consider your router's placement. Walls, large furniture, and other electronics can interfere with the signal. Try moving your router to a central, elevated location, away from obstructions and other electronic devices. This can significantly improve signal strength. Outdated router firmware can also cause performance issues and security vulnerabilities. Check your router's manual or manufacturer's website for instructions on how to update its firmware. Keeping it current ensures optimal performance and stability. Wireless interference from neighboring networks or other devices might be a factor. Access your router settings to change the Wi-Fi channel. Channels 1, 6, and 11 are often recommended as they don't overlap, reducing potential interference. Ensure your device's network drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can lead to connectivity problems or slow speeds. Visit your device manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your wireless adapter. Try forgetting the Wi-Fi network on your device and then reconnecting. This forces your device to re-establish a fresh connection with the router, often resolving authentication or configuration errors. It's a quick and easy reset for your device's network profile. Run your operating system's built-in network troubleshooter. On Windows, you can find this in Network and Internet settings. On macOS, use Wireless Diagnostics. These tools can often identify and suggest fixes for common problems. If problems persist, try connecting another device to the Wi-Fi. If other devices connect successfully, the issue is likely with your specific device. If no devices can connect, the problem might be with your router or internet service. Consider contacting your internet service provider or ISP if you've exhausted these steps. They can check for outages in your area or diagnose issues with your modem and service line. Sometimes, a router upgrade might be necessary if your current one is old or underpowered. Troubleshooting Wi-Fi can seem daunting, but by following these systematic steps, you can often resolve issues quickly. Stay patient, work through each suggestion, and you'll be back online in no time.